Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another update video of the Polygon Matic. So, my friends, what really happened today, my friends? In a Polygon Matic, in this video, I will share the latest update. I will share my personal price prediction of the Polygon Matic. But before starting this video, please, I request all of you that you are my friends and please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So now the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 0.981418 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occurred in the Polygon Matic, so now the last 1 hour change occurred in the Polygon Matic is negative. The last 1 day changes of the Polygon Matic is negative, and the last 1 week changes occurred in the Polygon Matic is become positive. My friends, just the last 1 week price change is positive, and except of the previous 1 week, the changes occurred in the Polygon Matic is completely negative. But you know what, my friends, in a nowadays, my prediction is going positive about Matic. Why my personal prediction is going positive about Matic? You know what, my friends? Because you already know about the cryptocurrencies market that in a nowadays. And nowadays, the situation of every coin is positive. Why the situation of every coin is positive? Because you know what? Because it is the ending of a month. And I also told you in my many videos, buffers, that please hold to the last of month. Hold to the last of month. And absolutely, my friends, you know what, possibility that in the last of month, in the beginning of month, the price become positive. So that's why I'm also positive about Polygon Matic, that possibility that in the ending of a month, in a noise, maybe in the next 1 hour, in the next 2 hours, the price changes of the Polygon Matic will become positive, my friends. Personally, I'm sure about that, and I'm 100% sure about it. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please also share in the comment box and tell me in the comment box that how do you feel today about Matic? Tell me in the comment box, good or bad. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.